Hello everyone, very welcome to our YouTube channel. And today we are again here come up with a new opportunity, that is summer hiring program of 2021, which is powered by Wipro. And in this, any branch, any degree can apply. Before starting the video, I will request you to like the video and share with your friends so that your friends can apply for this. Fine. And now we are going to discuss about Wipro summer hiring program, and in this you can see it's a Wipro initiative that's build a better and bold you, give wings to your dreams, and it's elite national talent hunt 2022. In this, let's see what's the eligibility criteria for it. First, it here you can see it's a qualification of BE BTech compulsory degree, means you must doing BE or BTech degree, either ME or MTech. Okay, it's a 5 year integrated course, then only you are eligible for it. After that, there is a full-time course you are recognized by the central state government, and no part-time corresponding or distance learning education in degree. Means you are done your 10th and 12th, that is full-time, not part-time courses. Okay, and it's also recognized by central or state government or any ICSE or CBSE board. Fine, and also all branches are eligible except fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture, and food technology. So these branches are not eligible for this hiring, and you must be passing out on 2022. And also one black backlog is allowed till the offer stage. Means when you get the offer, then till then only your backlog is accepted. After that, no backlog is allowed. So make sure before joining you must clear all the backlogs that you are having, and also you have 60% or 6.60 CGPA or equivalent as per your university guideline. And also you must have 10 percentage, that is 60%, and 12 percentage, that is 60% or above. And also you have to age limit is there, so you must below 25-year-old. And also there is last date to apply, that is 15 September, and there is online assessment on 25th September 2021 to 27th September 2021. Okay, let's see the evaluation process that they conduct. First, you have to register yourself that this site is there, and second thing that you have to pass an assessment. After that, there is a business discussion. Then there is a letter of intent that you have to read and accept it. After that, your offer letter will be generated. And also let's discuss what they offer, how much salary you will get. And also here it's written compensation per annum, that is 33.5 lakh per annum, means 3.5. Designation will be your project engineer. After that, there's service agreement of 12 months, that is 20, at the rate 75,000 INR on pro data basis. Means if there will be a bond of 12 months, if you break the bond you have to pay 75,000 to the company. And there's some more additional criteria is there. One black log is allowed, that we have also studied earlier, that before joining you must clear all backlogs before joining any company. And also there is criteria maximum 3 year of gap in education allowed, that is 10th to graduation. Means if you have done diploma or something like that, and if you have gap of 3 years, then only it's allowed, not more than 3 years, from 10th, not from 12th. Okay, candidates who have participated in any section process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible. Means if you have participated in Wipro hiring in last 6 months, then you are not eligible for this. After 6 months, you are eligible again. So here you can see you should be an Indian citizen as well. So you are part of Indian citizenship. Then only you are eligible for this hiring. Okay, and also in the event holding a passport of another country, you are not allowed. Here also it's mentioned Bhutan and Nepal national need to submit their citizenship certificate before applying. And also something is written most important for the Wipro hiring program. It is entirely responsible of Wipro to term limit the participation of each candidate in the national talent hunt 2022 recruitment process. And also reservation parameters and selection procedure belongs to solely to the discretion of Wipro. Means there is some also reservation parameters, it will be discussed and obliged by the Wipro only, and it will be not disclosed at any stage of selection process. It will be disclosed after selection. Fine. And also here you have to submit your legal documents, and if you find your illegal documents, means duplicate documents, then you are going to banned by the Wipro. And also it's noted that Please note that at any stage, whether during your online test or interview process, upon joining the company, if it brought to your notice that you have indulged in malpractice, used illegal means to clear your online assessment, the company shall withdraw or revoke the offer letter immediate effect. Means if you doing any cheating in your online assessment and if company found it, then your offer letter will be revoked, or you can say it will be withdrawn. We reserve our rights to take suitable action against you or may deem it a company take also action with you. Okay, so make sure you don't do any type of cheating there. If you have any queries concern there, please contact manager.campus@wipro.com with the subject elite nth 2022 and same will be responsive within 3 hours d. And also it's mentioned that Wipro is an equal opportunity employer, means everyone get same opportunity, not different opportunity. And also it mentioned all qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regard to race, color, religion, sex, national origin, gender identity, sexual orientation. Means you are not going to in by Wipro by your color, by your religion. Means there is no type of, you can say, reservation that's our government has, because it's a private company, so it don't have that type of things. And if you have some needed help regarding this process, you can write helpdesk.recruitment@wipro.com. And how you register, just click on register now button. Okay, after that your page will open, and that's called superset registration. Fine. It's opening. Yeah, it's open, I guess. Now here you can see this is a registration form that you have to fill for the hiring. So application deadline is 15 September 2021, that is 11 till 12 p.m. Opening overview, that is a engineering or web software, means you have to employ here for web or software. Fine. And here CTC your will be 3.5 per annum. Job description will be Elite National Hand Talent 2022 is a fresher hiring initiative to attract the best 2020 engineering talent across the country. The objective of this initiative to enable an opportunity for the employment, means they are searching for best engineer students of 2022 batch. Okay, and registration for Elite University open for, it's open from 23rd August till 15th of September. Okay, and the test will occur on 21st to 25th September. And again there's some eligibility criteria that we have already seen, some 10th 12th graduation and above applicable university guidelines. And also there is some more things that you can understand. Year of passing should be 2022, qualification should be BE BTech, branch of study must be all branches. And also these branches are not allowed to take this time. After that they will be hired for all branches, but these branches are not allowed because in that there is no concept of computer science and all. Okay, and your designation will be project engineer. Compensation 3.5 lakh per annum. Service agreement 12 month. If you break a agreement, then you have to pay 75,000 to the company. Okay, and here these things we have already seen in the previous thing, and what you can do in the sex. Okay, here you can see here superset is already mean for eligible candidate who will be going to 128 minutes coding things. Not coding, it's an online assessment which comprise aptitude as well, written communication test as well, and some you can say two programs for coding. Okay, so here you will get 48 minutes for aptitude, 20 minutes for written communication, and 60 minutes for two programming. Okay, and here there is an option for these type of language: Java, C++, and Python. Fine. And last day applies 15 September 2021. Online assessment will be tentatively held between 20 September to 27 September. So you have to also remember this date. Make sure you should be free between these dates. And it will be entirely responsibility of Wipro to permit limit the participation of each candidate in the elite recruitment process. After clearing the online assessment, a candidate will have to go to business discussion round. After that, reservation parameters selection procedure belongs to solely discrete Wipro. Means Wipro will only tell you, it will not disclose to anybody if you qualify also. It will be tell at the last when all the thing will be happen clearly. And also Wipro will inform candidates about the result of the recruitment by individual emails or other means of communication by provided individual candidates. Okay, so make sure your email, you also check your email in very good, you can say between some days, after 1 days, after 2 days, in every moment you should check your email. Okay, and here you can also note that at any stage, whether during an online assessment you find any notice that if you have done cheating, then you are not eligible for further steps. Your From that time you are going to end it. So you have to just click on what apply button, which is here. When you click on apply, you have to just verify your, after that you have to proceed your further steps. Okay, so this is for your Wipro summer hiring program. So it's all for today guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure subscribe the channel for more videos and support us by sharing the video to your friends. Thank you, have a great day.